Hey guys, it's your girl Tiffany and welcome back to my channel. If you're enjoying my Bungo Stray Dogs reactions, please remember to like the videos, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon that's next to it because that alerts you when a new video has been posted. Also check out the description below because I put the playlist to all my Bungo Stray Dog reactions so you can find it all in one place. And I need you guys to leave your comments in the comment section. Guys, by doing all of this lets YouTube know that you're enjoying my content. Therefore, they're gonna push it out more. So the shout out for this video goes to Stan Legends. Thank you so much for taking the time to comment on my last episode. And also, I will take a look at the anime that you recommended and put it on my board, and then of course you know this is a democracy, so I'll let that be voted to be reacted to. But thank you guys for the recommendation, and guys, if you do have recommendations, please leave them in the comments. I'll put them on my clipboard. I do have a board that I have of the animes I want to react to, and I'll let you guys decide. So last episode was a doozy. It was a doozy. So we got an understanding of Kyouka, of how she got herself into the Ports Mafia. Atsushi found that he had a very similar background to her, with the difference is he was saved by Dazai, and he had to make the resolve of, is he going to save her? However, on their little outing, they were attacked by the Ports Mafia, led by Akutagawa, who we found out listened into their whole day because there's transmitters in Kyouka, which I did say that she's in essence a doll because they have full control of her. Dazai is still with the Ports Mafia, but we got to meet Chuuya, and it seems like y'all got hyped again. It's like Rampo all over. When Rampo was on the scene, you got the comment section getting hyped for Rampo. Now we have the hype train for Chuuya, and we found that he is the former partner of Dazai when he was in Ports Mafia, and they seem to have, I don't know what they have, so maybe going the rest of the episodes will tell me what they have, because I can't really describe their relationship because it seems very weird. And then we had the agency nearly pissing me off last episode. I'm like, what's there to think about in rescuing Atsushi? Like, what was the big debate, especially Rampo? I'm like, yeah, y'all don't irritate me today. So I don't know what this episode is going to, where this episode is going to go, but we are going into episode 10, and it's called Rashōmon and the Tiger. So I'm guessing Akutagawa and Atsushi, the two A's, are going to battle it out. Maybe, who knows? We'll see. With that being said, let us jump into this reaction. 20 knots. Have you healed, baby boy? Cause that's a lot of blood. Ooh. Oh, oh! Damn! Damn! I'm researching who Chuuya's voice is. That sounds very familiar too. Even after 2 years. Damn! Damn! Bitch!
最後に教えろ。わざと捕まったのはなぜだ。一番はAtsushi君だ。Atsushi？君たちがご出身のために70億の賞金をかけたので
Okay.
知りたくてね。身を危険にさらしてまでキリンを追い抜ればドバに劣るってか。歴代最年少幹部さんよ。
Youngest! Oh my god.
俺からしたら幸運だぜ。何が
Oh, well timed.
いいことを教えよう。5大幹部会がある。バカな。
What?
あれは数年に一度組織の趨勢を決定する時だけ開かれる。あるならとっくに連絡が。理由は私が先日組織上層部にある手紙を送ったからだ。で予告するんだけど、君は私を殺さない。それどころか懸賞金の払い主に関する情報のありかを私に教えた上でこの部屋を出ていく。それも内股歩きのお嬢様口調でね。
Oh, little rich girl, wow.
私の予言は必ず当たる。
Oh shit.
手紙の内容はこうだ。だざ死没せしむるとき、汝らのあらゆる秘匿公にならん。まさかてめえ
Contingency plan.
者の私を捕獲したばポートマフィアの幹部全員を100回は死刑にできる。脅しに日和るほどポートマフィアはぬるくねえ。てめえは死ぬ。死刑だ。だろうね。勝手に死刑にかけたら
You'll be
独断
killed.
行動で廃止問題になる。罷免か最悪処刑だ。そして俺がもろもろのしがらみを振り切っててめえを殺したとしても、てめえは死ねて喜ぶだけ。ことでやりたきゃどうぞ。ほら早く。まだかな。
Oh, Dazai, you play too much for your life. Your feet that strong? Oh shit.
私のせいで組織を追われるチューヤ。まさか2番目の目的は俺に今の最悪な選択をさせること。てめえが俺に嫌がらせをするために待ってたってことか。
Uh-oh, he got a knife now.
久しぶりの再会なんだ。死なす。絶対こいついつか死なす。ところで鎖を壊して私を解放したのは君だよね。私がこのまま逃げたら君が逃亡幇助の疑いをかけ。
Dazai, you're a jackass.
君が言うことを聞くなら探偵社の誰かが助けに来た風に信じろってのか。私はこういう取引で嘘はつかない。知ってると思うけど。
Bitch, how he catch it like that?
ジンコがどうとかの話なら川が仕切ってた。奴は2階の通信保管所に記録を残。予想はついてたけどね。
These two are funny.
でも一つ訂正。今の私は美女との心中が夢なので、君に蹴り殺されても毛ほども悪いけど。あっそ。じゃあ今度自殺死亡の美人探し。
Oh wow.
実はいい人だったのかい。だざい。これで終わると思うなよ。なんか忘れてない？なんか忘れてないかな。二度目はなくてよ。
What the hell? Oh god, these two, no. These two should never meet again. Nope. Man, Akutagawa, give me a rest now. Bitch. I will punch you right between your legs and bow. I just want to know who made the bounty. I don't know. I can't even tell you. Oh. Bitch. Okay, so we get a little backstory on you. With the agency, yes, you work out just fine. Oh, let's not see the flashback again. Oh, who made you judge, jury, and executioner? Oh. Bitch! Bitch! Man, jump off the ship. Jump off the ship. Don't waste her kindness. Wow, that's your concern? Logical. Child, come. He's gonna go back for this girl. If you don't get your whip gun out, then let's go. Bitch! I run to the edge and just throw off onto the boat. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Get them, Atsushi! Oh, his power was a little OP. Oh, shut up. He got a point with that one. I know, right? Oh, that's funny. I get that one. Woo! Get the feet, yes! Oh! Damn. Ah, so there's a time limit. Bitch, dodge. Oh lord. The destruction. Woo-wee! Damn! Get him! Damn! Oh, Dazai, you were brutal. Damn! Dazai, what happened to my suicide person? Yeah, well, we know where the stray dogs come from. Uh-oh. His two students going at it. Oh, you tired, ain't you? Damn! In the same wound. Oh no, this was a different area. Okay. Oh, you jealous. Cause you Dazai's favorite. Oh yeah, I meant to comment on that. I realized I missed that part where he called you Atsushi better than him. Oh lord. It's almost like daddy issues in a way. You know when a new sibling comes home? Atsushi. Oh god. Cause he's an asshole.
利用したのではない。ヤシャ白雪は殺戮の異能力。
Just utilize it.
強化は意味を得る。
Wow.
やつがれは強化に価値を与えただけだ。
Oh, the abuse.
生きる価値をあるかどうかをお前が決めるな。
Ooh.
人は誰かに生きているよと言われなくちゃ生きていけないんだ。
Punch him again. Let's go, Atsushi. Oh, look. Yes, let's go, Atsushi. Oh, Lord. Oh, you keep getting stabbed, baby boy. Oh. Bitch. Goku. My Goku is very nice. Don't do that. He had his tail. Where did the tail come from? Get him. Get him. Bitch, you got too much abilities for me. Breakthrough, Atsushi. Punch his ass. Let's go. Let's go. Take that, bitch. And he is. Take that. I hope you never sleep again. Knock his ass out. No, I need y'all to heal Atsushi. Lord, even if it's Yosano. She tiny little thing. Y'all need to plop yourself into the ocean. Kunikida will find you. I thought he'd find you. Ain't no way they landed on the boat. They did, wow. Eh, you're proud though. Let's move on. How many times? 5? Oh, it's not Yosano. Yes, please. Let's answer that question. Bitch, who? No. Is this Dracula? The one from the opening. Oh, I like the watch. Leader of the guild, a gifted organization, Francis F. The Great Gatsby. Oh, you ugly. That was a dope episode. That was a dope ass episode. Okay, let's try to break down Dazai and Chuu's relationship. Like, Dazai and Kunikida relationship makes more sense than Dazai and Chuu's by far. Dazai and Chuu together are just two idiots. Two powerful idiots, but idiots nonetheless. This man knocked the wind out of Dazai. Even though Dazai kept up, he got the wind knocked out of him. And then I love contingency plans. Dazai with the contingency plans. Always one step ahead, maybe 10 steps ahead of him. But it was funny, the ending when she was leaving. They was trying to play off each other and Dazai didn't laugh. Dazai's a jackass. Dazai's a jackass. So, in a way, are Dazai and Chuu's like frenemies? Like, yes, in essence, they are enemies because Dazai left the post Mafia, left him. But in terms of, because he let him get the information, he told him that Atsushi is Akutagawa's operation. That has nothing to do with me. You could go and get the information. Yeah. Even though Dazai was blackmailing him in a way, he still kind of let him go. So are they like frenemies? Like, yes, because as said before, Dazai left. That makes them enemies, but there's still the partnership. There's still the loyalty to each other in a certain way. And then he called him a girl, Lord Jesus. Anywho, then we switch to Atsushi and Akutagawa. I'm so proud of Atsushi. Yes, we saw the little flashback, and I was like, please don't give us the full flashback again, because we know. Yes, you don't have to every time bring up the fact that he's been alone practically his whole childhood, that we need to see the flashback. All you had to do was give him the eyes that shows that he's remembering, and you didn't have to show us the flashback. Just saying. But to see how Atsushi, this is episode 10. From episode 1, this boy didn't even know he was a tiger. To episode 10, for him to utilize the tiger the way that he does, that is great. That's just great. It's also kind of weird because we've never seen him train. So the fact that he is getting the understanding. But then again, maybe because it's him. Like it's not a foreign power. It's just a power he didn't realize he had. It's not foreign. Maybe that's why it's easy for him to like control different aspects of when it come up. He doesn't need to take the full palm anymore. You see that he could take his arms, the legs, even the tail. I didn't even see the tail until he actually grabbed Akutagawa and punched the shit out of him. And I swear to God, Akutagawa is never sleeping again. He's never sleeping again. This man's gonna have daddy issues till the day this anime ends. Cause the man, I brushed past it last episode. Not cause I was talking the same time that came up when he said that Atsushi is far superior to you. And then you see the type of training he does between, like, you look at the comparison, the way he treated Akutagawa to the way he treats Atsushi. Like, he babies Atsushi. And then, but then again, maybe it's because, I wonder if it's just simply because of the situation that he got them, that makes how he interacted with them very different. He was outside the Ports Mafia, and because Akutagawa and Atsushi has a very similar backstory in terms of being alone, having bad childhoods. But then, Dazai found Akutagawa when in Ports Mafia. He found Atsushi when he was outside Ports Mafia. And their personality is different. So, maybe, I don't know. Y'all get what I'm saying? Like, do you think that he would have treated Akutagawa differently if he had found him outside Ports Mafia? Or do you believe that he treated Akutagawa the same way only because he was in the Ports Mafia? That was a brutal beating that he gave Akutagawa to train him. Or did he realize that because Atsushi has a different personality to Akutagawa, he took a different approach to Atsushi? God, I hope I didn't confuse y'all with that question. I really hope I didn't. But I enjoyed this episode very much. It's going to be interesting to see what they do with Kyouka. It's going to be interesting. At least we getting... Well, we know one of the questions answered to why... It was two questions, really. Who ordered the bounty on the were-tiger? And kind of why. The second question was, why do they want him? And then the third question got answered, well, why Akutagawa has this issue with Atsushi. We see why. So that one is answered. So the two remaining is, who put the bounty and why they want the were-tiger so badly? Because, again, as much as I love how Atsushi uses his power, I don't see why his power will be worth 7 billion unless there's something extra he does. Even though the self-regeneration, that is cool, but again, that's not a power that can be given to someone. Like he can't heal someone. He can only heal himself. Like, to me, Dazai's power is worth kind of more. So it's interesting to see why he worth that much and why they want him. And then we met the Great Gatsby at the end. I'm guessing he's part of the upper echelons of the Ports Mafia. So it's going to be interesting to see what the next episode is going to bring. So that being said, if you enjoyed my reaction, please remember to like the video. Hit that subscribe button. Leave your comments in the comment section. Guys, remember, a like, a sub, a comment, A share of this video goes a long way in expanding this channel. I thank you guys so much for your support. I'll see you guys in the next reaction. Bye.